Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your KARCHER K2 Compact is not working. Obviously, first things first, you can check the fuse. Hopefully that will be okay. If when you plug it in it's not doing anything, it might have an airlock. So try this before buying yourself a new one or putting it in for repair. Make sure you're unplugged. We're going to bring this outside, and what we're going to do is we're going to take off the lance and we're going to attach water to it, and we're going to run the water without the machine plugged in, and we're going to run it for 3 or 4 minutes, 5 minutes, to let all the water go through. Hopefully that will remove any air bubbles that's trapped that might be stopping your machine from working, especially if you've taken it out of storage and you haven't used it in a while. So to take off the lance, we're going to be using this little yellow clip here. So your one might be particularly jammed if it hasn't been done in a while, so you might need a screwdriver to go in here, and you just need to either squeeze in these bits or just pick them out with your nail from this side and then force that clip out. So you don't need a screwdriver if it's already quite loose. You can see there that you just pushed a bit out there and out here, and that will force that out there. And then we're just going to unplug this from here. So basically, we're going to bring this outside as it is now, put the hose pipe on here, turn on the water, and just let all the water run through for a few minutes, and hopefully then you'll find it will work after that. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in. You can see that I'm unplugged and the lance is off, so we've just got the hose. So now I'm going to turn on the water. There we go. And now it should start working its way through. So as you can see, it's coming out there nice, the hose is nice and flat, and hopefully you'll actually hear like the bubble, the airlocks coming out of it as it's rinsing all the water through. So we're going to come back to this in about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes now. We're going to put the lance back on. I'm going to plug it into the electricity. Let's see now if it's working. Now to put this back in, it's got flats here, so it's either going to be 180 degrees that way or 180 degrees that way. So make sure that this is out like so, and then if it's not going in, just rotate it a little bit until it drops in, push it fully home, close it. Now let's turn it on. We should be ready to go. So there you go, you can see it's working again. So hopefully this might fix your one. If you've got an airlock, it might be a very simple fix. Thanks for watching.